Hey, Bama Cooey here. Thanks for tuning in. I got some updates on my truck today, some surprises. Yesterday I went and had some of the wheel well liners put in, and I didn't mention do a video on it because I mean it's not that great of, it's not that exciting of a mod, right? Maybe I'll do a short with it or something. But the big news is yesterday evening I got my second revision tune from 5-Star, the E50 tune. So I went ahead and loaded it up last night, and I've also was in talks with Carlo at Suja 2 Tuning in Athens, Alabama, and I'm headed over there right now to get on his dyno. 5-Star wants me to data log the dyno and send them the files as well. So it's going to be an exciting afternoon. I've never had this truck on a dyno before. So we're going to dyno, we're going to data log, and we're going to see what this truck can actually put down at the wheels on the current E50 tune, and then we'll see if we can even make it better. So the only mod I have other than the tune is a drop-in replacement filter from AAE. So we'll see how this goes, and I'm going to video the dynos. I'll show the results, maybe 1 or 2 videos about it, and let everybody know how it goes. So the next video you see, which I'll splice into this one, will be some footage there, getting the truck loaded up and getting it ready to get dynos. So we'll see y'all shortly. Here with Carlo at Suja 2 Tuning. You ever tuned the Raptor before, or you ever dynoed the Raptor before?
We've had a couple of Raptors here. Cliff bringing his Baja Raptor by, supercharged. That was a great one.
All right, good deal. Well, this one hasn't been dynoed before. I got the 5-Star E50 tune on it. We're going to do some data logging for them, and we're going to see what we make at the wheels. So
stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. All right, here we are. We're going to do a 7th gear pull. This is the second pull. First one was in 5th. This is our 3rd pull in 7th gear 2, 3rd and final. All right, everybody, we had 3 pulls, first one in 5th gear, the 2nd and 3rd one in 7th gear for the 1-to-1 ratio, 5-Star E50 tune. Carlo, what were the numbers that we made?
So remember,
I think the highest was...
here we go. All right, so 5th gear pull, we made 437 to the wheel, and 7th gear 1-to-1 pull, we made 484 to the wheels.
484 to the wheels at 572 pound-feet of torque. So I would say that the E50 tune works pretty well. So hope everybody has a good one, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later.